Cryptocurrencies are continuing to slide to the downside. However, are they going to continue going down further? A lot of people are speculating that Dogecoin is headed much further down. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you some awesome news that you cannot miss. And I'm going to be answering all of your questions, fears, and concerns about Dogecoin. What's up everyone, my name is Miles and every single day I make videos on Dogecoin. We do live stream. We're giving you the latest and greatest about Dogecoin and also giving technical analysis on Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if you guys want to make a lot of money and stay informed on the cryptocurrency market, especially for Dogecoin, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss my time sensitive videos. Additionally, if you want to get my buy alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, make sure you join the Patreon, which is in the link in the description below, where I also offer consulting. You can talk to me on the phone, we can build you a portfolio, and I can teach you how to do technical analysis. And you can join the 4,000 member Discord, something I highly recommend, especially in these crazy times. I'm also giving away 250 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do in order to enter and to win this giveaway is like the video, subscribe to the channel, put anything in the comments below, and follow my Instagram and Twitter, and you will be entered in to win to the 250 Doge this weekend. I do announce the winner on my Instagram story every Saturday evening. Alright, so Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, they have been headed down for the last couple of hours. We thought we had a bounce earlier, but we ended up breaking down below that support and coming down. We bounced off the 33-cent level of support and potentially are moving up. We might move up further, we might bounce up very strong right here, or we can go down a little bit. I don't know. But it looks like we might be seeing life in a little bit of bounce in the cryptocurrency market. And I have some really incredible news that I want to share with you about Bitcoin that is very relatable to Dogecoin. And remember, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, especially the top ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and especially Bitcoin, whenever Bitcoin goes down a lot, it will bring the entire cryptocurrency market with it. So it is very important, if you want to understand where Dogecoin is headed, and some of your other cryptocurrencies that you invest in, pay attention to Bitcoin. Pay attention to Bitcoin news because it will give you the answer. It can show you the direction of where the whole cryptocurrency market is, because Bitcoin is nearly $1 trillion. It is the biggest cryptocurrency. And whenever something is big or the leader in a certain sector in any market, it will bring the whole market with it. You can see that in the stock market. Whenever there's an electrical vehicle company like Tesla, whenever Tesla is down or other companies, you will see them bring the market down with them. Like Apple, other tech companies. When you see big tech companies go down, they will bring generally the whole market with them. But just the opposite in a good way. Whenever Tesla goes up, you'll see the other EV vehicles play out. When other big tech companies are starting to look green, when they are very green, they'll bring up the small little companies with them too. But here is an interesting piece of news that I want to share with you. And look at this. MicroStrategy is selling corporate bonds to buy Bitcoin. Now, what MicroStrategy is they are a tech company. And the CEO is one of the first CEOs to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. He basically got Elon Musk to even start putting Bitcoin on the Tesla balance sheet. And look what happened. Last year, he put a lot of money, I believe it was over $1 billion, of the balance sheet of MicroStrategy into Bitcoin when it was about $9,000. And he has continued to buy Bitcoin ever since, even at these levels. And a lot of people thought he was crazy, but yet he bought Bitcoin at $9,000 and Bitcoin went to $65,000. And that was an investment that he made with his company that has done huge wonders, and it has caused a massive chain reaction in other companies to do the same thing. But the interesting thing is look, he's borrowing $400 million to buy more Bitcoin while it is on sale. Remember, these cryptos, especially Dogecoin, they're a huge summer discount. They are on sale, especially if you want to look from 60 to 90 days. Where do you personally think cryptos will be? I understand that cryptos have periods to go down. Cryptos have periods to go up. And in the current period that we are in a correction phase, which is a part of a huge bull run, which is a part after a major pump. You will see correction phases and cycles, maybe for weeks, maybe for a month, maybe 2 months. That's really stretching it. But I think we're going to be a consolidation period for a little bit longer, maybe a couple more days, maybe by the end of the week, and then any second now, cryptos will start to pump up, break resistance, break the all-time highs, and get back to where they were. And it will happen in a flash of an eye, faster than you could possibly even imagine. And you will even wake up and you'll see Bitcoin at $42, $45, $50,000. You'll wake up and see Dogecoin 50 cents, 55 cents, 60 cents. Ethereum, you'll see $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Cryptos can move very fast, so you do not want to sleep while these cryptos are at a discount if you can. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And if you guys want a really good platform to buy cryptocurrencies and stocks, use my WEBULL link in the description below, which if you deposit $100, they're now giving people two stocks worth up to $3,000. I highly recommend checking it out. It's an amazing program. You can sell those stocks that you get immediately and buy Dogecoin or any cryptocurrencies they're stocked with. But getting back to this article, if this CEO is buying $400 million of Bitcoin while Bitcoin is at this level, do you think this guy is incredibly intelligent? He went to MIT. Do you think this guy would be buying Bitcoin if it's going to go down? Do you think he's going to do that just because he loves Bitcoin that much? No, big whales. He's a whale. Big people, big money. They understand where cryptocurrencies are going, and that's why they're buying Bitcoin at these levels. And I'm going to be showing you exactly that they are actually buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, these cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin at these levels. Look at this news article to prove it. It says Ethereum balance on cryptocurrency exchanges is plunging. The amount of Ethereum on leading digital exchanges has reached its lowest level in more than 2 years. Look at what it says here. It says Ethereum whales are moving their ETH assets from leading cryptocurrency exchanges to digital wallets, according to the latest data published by crypto analyst program Glassnode. What this basically means is that whenever a balance of a cryptocurrency is being removed from an exchange, people are expecting a major pump, and they're putting it away somewhere that is safer than the exchange. And that's what these whales do. Whenever they believe in something, they remove the cryptocurrency from the exchanges and they put it in a cold wallet. They put it in cold storage. They put it in a wallet. And that is exactly what is about. That is what they're doing now. And that is what they're continuing to do at very high rates. And here is the chart that will prove it, not only for Ethereum as that news article just said, but I'm going to show you Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin moves the whole market. And this yellow line, these yellow lines, these are the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges. And the white lines, this is actually the price of Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin, the price of it bottom out and it started to head up. But we are also seeing the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges actually skyrocket to the downside. So what this means is that these whales are taking Bitcoin off the exchanges and they're putting it in cold wallets. What that also means is that people are buying these big whales. They're buying these cryptos. That's how they have to be removed off the exchange. They're buying these cryptos off the exchanges and putting them in the cold wallets. And that's what happens when people believe in cryptocurrencies and understand that there's going to be a massive pump. So while you're seeing this volatility, while you're seeing Dogecoin down and all these cryptos down, cryptos are actually being bought by these huge whales because they know that cryptos are about to go crazy, that they are about to quadruple, maybe 10x by the end of the year. Let's go ahead and do some technical analysis. And if you like this video so far, go ahead and give me a like. I'd appreciate it. And let me know your thoughts so far in the comments. But let me show you something. A lot of people are saying that Dogecoin is forming a head and shoulders on the daily pattern. And what this basically means is that generally head and shoulders, they do play out and they are a bearish signal. They're a bearish signal. But in order for this to play out, this has to break the neckline. We have to see Dogecoin go all the way to about 21 cents. If Dogecoin were to go to 21 cents, then this pattern could start to play out. But I don't see Dogecoin going anywhere near that level. I don't think this is going to play out. And I think the people that suggest that Dogecoin is forming a head and shoulders and that it's going to break out to the downside are wrong. More importantly, let's go ahead and take a look at our current time frame. I'm looking at the 30-minute, and we're actually looking very bullish. We're continually looking bullish. Look, we have our support here, but watch this. Our lows are continually getting higher, ladies and gentlemen. Look, here's the low. That was the low that we're looking for to get the big bounce. This might be it, ladies and gentlemen. If we move up, if we zoom in, we can actually see the bounce starting to play out. So if I zoom in, there's not much time to really look at this properly, but we are seeing a bounce off of that level of support. Yes, we could come up a little bit and break down even further. That's certainly a possibility, and that's something we must be aware of. Yes, cryptos can drop down much further, but we are seeing this small channel of cryptocurrencies just trading in and out of these small patterns, not really breaking out to the upside, not really breaking out to the downside, but we're continually seeing the levels of support getting higher. We're continually seeing the lows get higher. So we are still recovering. We are still bullish, and we are still in an uptrend. We also have the event 6/9, June 9th taking place. What does this mean for Dogecoin? Most likely we will start to see some volatility. Most likely we should start to see some green, some pumping, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. I'm not sure. But in a bearish market, whenever you see things bearish, even if there's really good news, you won't see that much of pumping because things can't really pump the way they're supposed to, because all that FOMO is gone. A lot of the greed is gone, and it's just a lot of fear. So just hang in there. Dogecoin is not dead. I believe we are still going to be going up, and that we will see 69 cents. We will see $1 here soon. It might not be for 30 days, and it might not be for 60 days, but I think it will be 90 days or less. And that is my opinion, and I'm sticking with it. So if you guys want to get those trade alerts, you want to talk to me on the phone, you want to learn technical analysis, join the Patreon in the link in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening.